Have you ever wondered if you're really getting your teeth as clean as you should? What if I told you that your toothbrush might not be doing its job properly? Stick around, and you'll discover why that might be happening and how to ensure your dental hygiene is top-notch. Plus, there's a secret method to better dental health waiting for you at the end of this video. Many people assume that brushing their teeth twice a day is enough. But did you know that most people aren't using their toothbrushes correctly? Poor brushing habits can lead to plaque buildup, cavities, and gum disease. In this video, we'll explore common mistakes people make with their toothbrushes and provide alternative methods to enhance your oral hygiene routine. The first mistake is using the wrong type of toothbrush. Many people think any toothbrush will do, but the truth is, choosing the right toothbrush can make a significant difference in your oral health. A soft bristled brush is recommended by dentists since it effectively cleans your teeth while protecting your gums from damage. Think about how many times you've bought a toothbrush without considering the bristle type. Always look for the ADA seal of acceptance to ensure quality. Next, let's talk about brushing technique. Brushing your teeth isn't just about the back and forth motion. The correct way is to hold your toothbrush at a 45-degree angle to your gums and use gentle circular motions. This technique prevents damage to your enamel and gums, and is more effective in removing plaque. Have you tried this method before? If not, it's a simple change that can vastly improve your dental health. Another critical aspect is brushing duration. Dentists recommend brushing for at least 2 minutes, but are you? Many of us rush, spending only 30 to 60 seconds. Try setting a timer or play a song that lasts 2 minutes. Making brushing enjoyable can ensure you're giving your teeth the attention they deserve. When was the last time you changed your toothbrush? This could be the mistake that's holding you back. Dentists recommend replacing your toothbrush every 3 months or sooner if the bristles are frayed. Over time, bristles lose their effectiveness, leading to inadequate cleaning. Set a reminder for yourself to replace your toothbrush regularly. Your teeth will thank you. Let's summarize what we've learned today. Choose the right toothbrush. Master the proper brushing technique. Ensure you brush long enough. And replace your toothbrush regularly. Simple changes can make a huge difference in keeping your teeth healthy and your smile bright. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on health and wellness. Lastly, check out the description below, and uncover the secret method to the perfect smile. Ready to transform your dental routine? Let's get started today.